It's April the 23rd, and I'm going to be talking about a few updates in the guide module, especially in the finishing of it. So I'm going to be making a little stackable guide. We usually wouldn't do that in such a small gap, but I want to cram in as much as possible to show how this works. So let's get started. I'm going to go through this quite quickly. Now I'm going to put a pin in here as well to complicate things even further. Alright, we're going to make our another tubing. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a few attachments in there. Alright, we're going to extrude these, and we're going to purposefully create more intersections. Alright, now we can discuss how this works. So what we're going to do is we're going to first lock these into position. And when we lock these, duplicates have been made in the background. So just to demonstrate, we've got duplicates here. The green ones, we don't need these. These are for your tertiary guide. I'm going to just delete these. Okay. And we're going to now clear away these intersections. So all I need to do is select the one that I want to clear away, and then we're going to use all guide cutters for selection. And that automatically has cleared it away. Then I'm going to use all hole cutters for the selection, and that's cleared it away as well. Let's try the same thing on this one. So previously we had to expose all of these cutters, and we can still do these and manually do it, but this automatic does speed things up a bit. Now I've got this one selected because I want to make a hole going through there. We don't need to clear the guide, but we need to make a hole. So use all hole cutters for selected object, and it's made a hole automatically. Let's try the same thing with these intersections of the actual attachments. So we're going to be clicking on this one, the third one, use all stack cutters for selected object, and that's cleared that also automatically. Okay. So let us go to the other ones, the actual attachments which are intersecting. I'll unhide them. So all I need to do is select which ones I want to clear away, and we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to create a guide clearance, and then we're going to create a hole clearance. So with them being selected, we're going to make a few holes. So this does this automatically. Okay. And then we want to cut the fitting surface. Well, that's quite easy to do as well, and we can do this in one go. We're going to select this one, we're going to select this one, and we're going to then cut fitting surface. And this will do both at the same time. Let us just check. And yes, it's done it perfectly. Okay. Now finally, if you wanted to join these, unify these to your object, we'd select one, shift left click, select the other one, and then shift left click, select the last one to unify to. And we're going to click unify, and that's made this into one solid object, the green one. And if we can do this with the other ones as well, so we're going to select this one last and then unify that. And if you wanted to laser print this in metal, then you need to unify these objects. So let's do this one. And that's basically how it works.